This is a power chord warm-up exercise. We are going to start on a C power chord on the 3rd fret on the A string. 5th fret on the D. Gives you this sound. Okay, moving on to the G power chord. 3rd fret on the E string. 5th fret on the A string. Sounds like this. So if you move between those two power chords, C to G, you get that root to the 5th sound. Okay, here's your root, and here's the 5th. That's what makes your power chord. Okay, so every dot on my fretboard is going to be our target notes. Here's what it sounds like slowly. Up to the next dot. Up to the next dot. And finally, the 9th fret. So my power chords are played on 3, 5, 7, and 9. Okay, we're going to play that together nice and slow after 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. Let's see if we can do it a little bit faster, and we'll do it twice round. 1, 2, 3, 4. Round again.